Hello everyone and welcome back. Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am over the moon excited to share with you guys some DIY Dollar Tree decor crafts. These are going to be fall to Christmas transitional crafts. Listen, I love to share with you guys how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that y'all don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Now, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's totally free. Punch the bell and click all. It will update you every single time I post a new video. And pop over to my Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page where I post several DIY videos a day to keep you guys motivated and inspired to craft and decorate on a budget. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns. Get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to craft. For this Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how to make a super easy, inexpensive Dollar Tree wreath using the Dollar Tree splatter screen. So I removed the center part of that splatter screen, and then I'm going to take this piece of thrift store lace and hot glue the lace in and around this center part of the little splatter screen here. So you want to be careful with this if you're using lace because the hot glue does kind of come through and can burn your fingertips. You can also get those little fingertip covers at your local craft store at the Dollar Tree. So I'm finishing up adding the lace around the center part of this, and this is just to kind of cover up the fact that it is a splatter screen. These are really great to do if you love a little bit of that kind of rustic farmhouse or Victorian kind of just a fun look, and I think they're just really pretty. You guys can do these in different ways. Okay, so I trimmed off the excess lace, and here is what I have. And then I'm taking some of this greenery. I had this greenery left over from a wedding that I helped decorate for, and I just cut two pieces. And then I took a little X-Acto knife. Well, actually, it was just a steak knife, I believe, actually. And I just poked little holes in the sides of the lace and the splatter screen. And then I'm running zip ties through those spaces to add in and really secure those pieces of greenery down. Dollar Tree also has some amazing greenery. You guys could also use evergreen greenery if you're doing this for Christmas. But I feel like this greenery could kind of even go for Christmas. Now I'm using this gather sign, which is definitely going to be something that you could use for your kitchen or for a Thanksgiving decor idea or just gather. I mean, gather's fun. Okay, I painted it this pretty kind of grayish color, and then I'm taking this Dollar Tree twine, and I'm just going to take the twine and just kind of secure the gather sign onto here. And I'm using the same spot where I had zip tied the greenery on, and that covered up those zip ties. And so it's kind of doing double duty. Now from the Dollar Tree, I'm using this fall ribbon. I'm just going to take and make a quick, easy loopy bow. So you just take the ribbon, loop it over on itself, and then use a piece of twine to tie that off in the center and to add on to our little easy DIY wreath. And this is so inexpensive, you guys, and such a great way to make like an alternative on just your regular wreath decor idea. And I feel like it gives it just kind of that homey feel with the gather and the greenery and then this cute little fall ribbon. And honestly, this ribbon I also use during Christmas because it does have the red and white check. It's actually like a red and cream check. And think about this. So this fall ribbon from Dollar Tree goes for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and fall. So here is how it turned out. I think it's really adorable. I think if I went back to do it, I would maybe even add like a little bit of white paint to the gather sign. I don't know, comment and let me know what you guys think about this, but this is a fun, easy idea that you guys can change up to suit your home decor and your style by changing up the ribbon and greenery.
The feeling is here today.
For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can repurpose some of your fall pumpkin signs that maybe you overbought at Dollar Tree and make them into a snowman. So I'm taking 3 Dollar Tree pumpkin signs, I flipped them over, and then I'm just going to hot glue them together. And I chose, pumpkin signs that got a little bit smaller as I went along, but I've also used this and made this with pumpkin signs that were the same size. So hey, listen, just grab whatever's in your bin or grab just some circle wood pieces and then hot glue them all together. The next thing I want to do is take some chalk paint and just chalk paint this white because we are doing a snowman. You guys could even add like a little bit of glitter dust to it. I went ahead and added some paper towel underneath this. It may be hard to see what I'm doing, but basically I'm just painting this whole thing white, and I use this Waverly white chalk paint. My sweet friend Stacy got it for me. And the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to create a little mouth with some little Dollar Tree pom-poms. And then I had these little candy pieces. I've had these forever. You get them at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm adding a button nose for my snowman, a cute little bow tie, and some buttons for the center part of him. And let me tell you, I think this is one of the happiest snow guys that I've made. I feel like he's a guy, but maybe he's a girl. I don't know. What do you guys think? He's just could be either way. Here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to make a hat with this Dollar Tree scarf, and I just hot glued the piece of fabric onto the front, and then I'm going to hot glue it to the back and kind of make like a hat shape. I did take my scissors and just kind of trim off any excess fabric, and then I'm tucking that excess fabric over. I did kind of burn my fingers just a little bit. I'm going to pinch the end of the hat together, and then I'm going to add a little white pom-pom to make it just look cute and fun. And there we have a fun and easy little snowman. I think these are really super fun to make. I've seen you guys replicate these. And the next thing I also did was I added some little broom handle arms. So Dollar Tree carries these little cinnamon brooms. I didn't get this on camera, but I did just kind of cut the cinnamon broom apart. You can kind of see it right there, and make his little arms. You guys could also go outside and just grab some sticks, or just use whatever you have on hand that maybe can look like some hands. So here's how he turned out, our Frosty the Snow Person. You guys, let's name him. So drop a cute name for what you think he should be down below. He's definitely a little bit of a hodgepodge and very kind of crafty looking, but I think he turned out super cute. And I'm probably going to go back in and even add in some more detail around the edges of his little snow person. But this is just an idea for you guys to duplicate using some of your leftover fall decor. You guys know how much I love to repurpose and reuse. I hope you're loving this and are inspired to create a cute little snow person down below. And don't forget to drop a name for this little snow guy. We need to name him for sure. For the next Dollar Tree DIY, let's create a super easy centerpiece using one of these Dollar Tree little plastic bins. So from the Dollar Tree, I grabbed this plastic bin, and then I have this white Waverly chalk paint, and I'm just going to chalk paint the entire thing and then let that dry really good. I even hit the inside just a little bit in case it shows through. The next thing I want to use is one of these Dollar Tree candlesticks. I'm going to pop that into the base of my plastic bin. I wanted to share with you guys an idea for how to create a centerpiece on a total budget. Now, if you have any pool noodles left over from the summer, grab one of those, or grab some, craft foam or whatever to pop down into your little centerpiece bucket. And again, this is kind of like a Dollar Tree hack where you can just use this instead of buying the foam, and you're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck. The next thing I'm using is this Dollar Tree little lantern, and I thought this was so cute. My sweet friend Stacy sent it to me. Thank you, girl. And I'm just using some of this dark gray kind of farmhouse-y paint, and I'm going to paint it really well. And I love how it glows. It's so pretty. And then once I had that done, I went ahead and added a little bit of paint outside of this to kind of distress the outside of this plastic container to make it look kind of like baskety farmhouse. Okay, so I hot glued my lantern onto here. I look back on this now, and that probably wasn't the best choice. So don't hot glue your lantern, because if you need to change out the battery, boom. Anyway, I'm adding in some greenery to make this centerpiece. And you guys are probably going to hear my puppy dog Benji Bear kind of fussing in the background. He loves when I'm making my videos to really get in here and participate. Okay, so continue to add greenery and really get creative with adding your greenery with whatever colors that you choose that you love. You could also do this into a Christmas centerpiece or fall centerpiece or summer centerpiece, but this is just an idea on how you guys can use a plastic bin and make it look super chic. Now, I had these florals left over from a wedding. They're really beautiful white roses, and I'm going to add this into my bedroom space. So I didn't really want a whole lot of bright colors in here because I have a lot of whites in my bedroom. So I thought these would be this perfect florals, and they came off of Amazon, but really just grab any florals that you have on hand, dig into your craft stash, and bam, we have this pretty little centerpiece on a total budget You could easily transition this into Christmas by adding in some pretty ornaments, but I love this scrolly lantern from Dollar Tree. I think it's so pretty. I think the bucket does not look like a plastic bucket now after I painted it and kind of gave it a little bit of distressing. I think it looks like maybe kind of like a white basket type thing. So this is just a fun idea for you guys to make something super simple on a total budget. You could even use a cardboard box. Paint that. I've done that before. You guys have seen me do that before. Have fun with it. Get creative and go for it.
I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me.
For this next Dollar Tree DIY, I want to share with you guys how you can create a jumbo Christmas ornament on a total budget. So from the Dollar Tree, I grabbed this small plate. It's a plastic plate, so it's going to be lightweight. It says family. It's super cute. And I'm just going to take some of these Dollar Tree wooden bead garlands and just hot glue it all around the entire plate. And if you guys hear something crinkly in the background, that is my puppy dog, Benji Bear. He really loves to play when I sit down to create my videos. So say hi to Benji Bear. So I'm going to continue to hot glue the little wooden beads around the edge of here and then just trim that off.
Cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
Next thing I decided to do was hot glue some greenery to the top of this. Now I am going to go back in and add a little bit of evergreen, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea on how you can create a decor piece on a total budget, and this ornament is going to be just super jumbo and fun. I love to use jumbo ornaments to fill out my Christmas tree. I feel like it makes it look really high-end and fun. And the next thing I'm going to do is create a loopy bow. So you just take your ribbon and loop it over on itself, pinch it off in the center, and then I'm going to use some of this Dollar Tree twine to tie it off. These are such easy, fun bows, and you can make these up quickly. You can make a bunch of them, especially if you have a large Christmas tree. And let me tell you, you guys could even do plastic plates. I've shared with you guys how to do plastic plate ornaments as well, like with just like the clear plastic plates. But this family one is so adorable. And I'm telling you, Dollar Tree is really stepping up their game on some of their cute little plastic plates. I'm excited to see what they're going to put out for Christmas. And then I'm just going to take and make some tails with this ribbon. Don't forget to dovetail the ends of your ribbon by cutting a cute little triangle up here in the center and just hot glue that to the center part. And bam, you guys have a fun and easy little ornament on a total budget. Get super creative with this and just have fun with it. Now, the next thing I decided to add too were some pine cones.
Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, oh,
And here is how it turned out. I think it's so fun and fabulous on a total budget. So as always, I just ask that you guys comment and let me know what was your favorite DIY in this video and which one will you be recreating. I love to hear what you guys are up to. Thank you so much for being here. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you guys be following me along as I start my Christmas series very soon. I'm trying to hold off just a little bit longer because it is still fall while I'm creating this video. But I do love to start really giving you guys a ton of transitional ideas if you're like me and you love to get a jump start on your crafting and decorating. And then of course we have to add in a fun clip of Benji Bear. So he has really been tearing it up in the house. So see what he's doing. He's over here by this chair. What is he doing? He's trying to harass Tinky, and Tinky is my cat. She's peacefully resting. He's supposed to be eating. Tinky came in. Look, he knows that he was bothering Tinky. So let's go see what Tinky has to say about this. She's under here minding her own business. She's just got done eating. He's supposed to be eating, but look at him. You know, what is he thinking? He really wants to go get Tinky. Anyways, I had to Benji Bear. We love y'all, and we're so blessed and happy to have you here.
Santa's coming.
Thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. It is a true blessing and honor to have you all here. If you all are new, welcome. I am Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I love to share with you all how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that you don't have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home. Listen, I would love to invite you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free. Punch the bell and click all. Update you every single time I post a new video. I post several DIY videos a week on YouTube as well as several a day over on my Olivias Romantic Home Facebook page. I love to keep you guys inspired and motivated to craft and decorate on a budget. I feel like crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul, so keep up the good work no matter where you're at in your crafting and decorating adventure and really in your life adventure. I know everybody's been through a lot, including me in the last couple of years, so just keep going. Every day that we are given a gift, we open our eyes and it's morning and we're like, whoa, we're still here. Hey, that is your gift to keep going. So I love y'all. I'm hugging all of your hearts so tight. I'm wishing you a gorgeous, fabulous, blessed day. Until our next video, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye-bye.